Yeah, so I just want to show natural pineapple, naturally ripe on the tree. This wasn't picked and put on to ripe or nothing like that. Naturally ripe, you know, and it's a good size. I have multiple pineapples here, but it's the first that I got one that is that big. So I don't know. All of them was planted the same way. So what I did, I cut the top off the pineapple and I would like put it in water for a little bit. And then when it gets some roots, I put it in the earth. However, these two right here, they're really bigger than the rest of them. I don't know what caused that, but the rest of them usually some smaller pineapple. But this one today is of reasonable size. Something like you would see in the store, like at Walmart or somewhere else. And those are usually fertilized, I would assume, or they have to put pesticide and all kind of things. Not saying that the pesticide will help it to grow, but it's not as natural as this one. So this one is natural, full 100% natural. I didn't use any kind of fertilizer, nothing. I just planted there and left it. It took a while, it took a very long time to bear a pineapple like this. I don't remember exactly how long, but it's over a year, but the wait was worth it. So now I'm just gonna harvest it, all right, and I'm gonna enjoy. I don't know, maybe I just eat it in slices, or maybe I make some pineapple drink or something, but it feels good, I'm telling you. When you plant it, you don't really foresee that day when you're gonna come and reap it, but today is that day. I've been watching it for a while now, and I feel like it's ready. It's fully ripe and ready to be harvested. So here we go, all right? So yeah, natural pineapple. And I will just cut the top off and plant it again.